The sun was warm, so they decided to cool off. Rahul splashed water on Anita. "Splash! You're wet now," he laughed. Anita quickly splashed him back. "Oh no, you are too."
What was the weather like? A. Cold. B. Warm. C. Rainy. D. Cloudy. Answer is B. Warm. The story begins with the sun was warm. 2. Why did they decide to cool off? A. They were tired. B. The sun was warm. C. They wanted to play. D. It started raining. Answer is B. The sun was warm. That's why they cooled off. 3. Who splashed water first? A. Anita. B. Rahul. C. Papa. D. Mama. Answer is B. Rahul. He splashed water on Anita. 4. What sound is written in the story? A. Boom. B. Splash. C. Bang. D. Zoom. Answer is splash. You're wet now. 5. Who laughed after splashing? A. Anita. B. Rahul. C. Both. None. Answer is B. Rahul. He laughed when Anita got wet. 6. Who said, "Oh no, you are too"? A. Anita. B. Rahul. C. Mama. D. Papa. Answer is A. Anita. She said this after splashing him back. 7. Where were they playing? A. In the park. B. At the beach. C. In the garden. D. At home. Answer is B. At the beach. The picture shows the sea and sand. 8. What did Anita wear? A. Yellow dress. B. Blue shirt. C. Red shorts. D. Green skirt. Answer is A. Yellow dress. Anita is wearing a yellow dress. 9. What did Rahul wear? A. Red shirt and blue shorts. B. Blue shirt and yellow shorts. C. White shirt and black pants. D. Green shirt and brown shorts. Answer is B. Blue shirt and yellow shorts. That is shown in the picture. 10. Was Anita happy while playing? A. Yes. B. No. Answer is A. Yes, she is smiling in the picture. 11. Was Rahul crying? A. Yes. B. No. Answer is B. No. He was laughing and having fun. 12. What does the word quickly mean? A. Slowly. B. Fast. C. Carefully. D. Quietly. Answer is B. Fast. Quickly means fast. Choose the opposite of warm. A. Hot. B. Cold. C. Cool. D. Fresh. Answer is B. Cold. Is the opposite of warm. 14. Choose the opposite of laugh. A. Cry. B. Smile. D. Play. Answer is A. Cry. Cry is the opposite of laugh. 15. Fill in the blank. Rahul splashed water, Anita. A. In. B. On. C. At. D. With. Answer is B. On. The story says Rahul splashed water on Anita.